Welcome back, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, just tell me that what was the topic that we already finished in science in week number 16? That was the earth, right? Now, again, this topic is also included in the same topic, that is the earth. Everything which we are doing comes in our planet earth, but the topic that we are going to do is a little different from that. So tell me, students, that at what time of the day you wake up? At what time you wake up in the morning? 6 o'clock, okay. Yes, Alia, you get up at 7. All right, yet Neha, you wake up at 6 o'clock to say your prayers. That's very good. So that means 6 o'clock is of what time of the day it is? Yes, it is the morning time. It is the morning time. And at what do you know? At what time when do these animals and birds wake up? They also wakes up in the morning, right? Before the sun rises. So how do you know that it is morning time? What is that thing that tells you that it's morning time? Because it's daytime. The sun starts, yes, when you see the sun is rising, right? That is the morning time. It shows you the light, because before morning it is night. And what is at night time? It is darkness everywhere. Where at daytime there is, you can see light everywhere, right? So this is the difference between day and night, right? Now, remember that we have done about this when we were doing sun, stars, and moon, that the different things that we can see at daytime. Now, can you see here on my board over here? I have stick some pictures over here. Now, can you tell me that among these pictures, well, what are these pictures first? What is this picture about? It's a bat. Yes. Are you scared of bat? Are you scared? Yes, I am scared of bat. Have you seen a bat? Have you seen any bat before? I'm not talking about the bag ball bat. It's a bird. It's a bat, right? It's of black color. Now, when can you see that? Where have you seen it actually? You have seen in movies, okay, but haven't you seen a bat in real? No? Okay. At what time have you seen bat? You have seen it at daytime? No, at night time, because you can always see bat at night time, and that's why it looks so scary and dangerous, right? So it's a bird, it's a bat, and you can see it at night time. And what is this over here, which I have pasted? It's a picture of a cloud. Yes, it's cloud, right? Have you seen clouds? Yes, you must have seen, because clouds they are up on the sky, right? They are up in the sky, right? You can see the clouds. So at what time have you seen the clouds? You have seen the cloud at daytime, okay, and you have seen the cloud at night time also, right? That you can see clouds at daytime also and at night time also. Very good. Okay, so what is next to cloud? It's a rainbow, right? So when can you see a rainbow? You can see a rainbow right after the rain, right? Right after the rain, when the sun rises there, when the sun comes out, then you can see a rainbow. And how many colors are there in rainbow? 7 colors, right? Can you name those colors? Yes? Okay. You can say red is there, orange is there, yellow is there, green is there, blue is there, indigo is there, and violet is there. Violet and indigo. So they are 7 colors in the rainbow. And when can you see a rainbow? You can easily see a rainbow at daytime. Very good. And what is next to the rainbow over here? It's a moon. It's a picture of a moon, right? So what time of the day you can see moon? Can you see moon at daytime? No, you can see a moon at Nighttime only. So what is there at daytime which is there on the sky? It's the sun, and the light that you are getting, the heat that you are getting in the daytime is because of the light and because of the heat of the sunlight, right? So when can you see the sun? You can see the sun at daytime, whereas you can see the moon at, correct, you can see the moon at, right, at night time. Very good. So these were the different objects that you can see at daytime. Now I will show you some more objects that you can see at day and night time. So you are going to tell me their names, right? Okay. So can you see this? It's a sun. So when can you see a sun? You have already told me. You can see the sun at daytime. These are the clouds. You have already told me. What is this? It's a balloon, fire balloon. When can you see that? You can see this up in the sky, but at what time of the day? At daytime, correct. And what are these? One, two, three, four. These are different birds. So where do birds fly? They fly in the sky. And so at what time of the day you will see? At daytime or nighttime? You can see them at daytime. So what happens at nighttime to them? They sleep at night. They go back to sleep as soon as the sun sets. They go back in their nest or on their trees and go to sleep. And this is a rainbow, which I've already shown you. This is a shuttle. You can see a spaceship. Where can you see this? You can see this in the space, right? And what are these two? This is an helicopter and this is an airplane. So at what time you can see them? And a helicopter and airplane. Can you see them at daytime? Only at daytime? No, you can see them at both. At daytime also and at nighttime also. And what is this? This is rain. So when can you see a rain? Rain can happen at any time. It might happen at daytime. It might happen at nighttime, right? So these were the different pictures that you can see at the different time of the day and night, right? But my question is how day and night is formed. How day and night are formed. Do you know that? Yes, because we have discussed, remember, I have shown you the globe with the torch that whenever the light goes, that the light of the sun shines on the globe. And what is the globe? Globe is the earth. Wherever the light goes, that is the daytime. And the other part is the nighttime. But I'll share another picture in which you can actually easily see what is the daytime and nighttime. Just a minute. Okay. Now, can you see this picture here? Now, this is the sun and this is your Earth, the planet Earth. Now, Earth travels through its axis. This is the axis all around the sun in 365 days. So, when it is nearer to the sun, it is summertime. When it is away from the sun, it winters, and the different seasons, they go keep on changing. So, this Earth completes a circle in 365 days. Now, you can see this is Earth and how it is passing by. It is over here, it's in the month of March, it's here, June, it's here away from the sun. September, again, it is nearer to the sun. December, again, it's away from the sun. So when it is away from the sun, these are the months actually. So we will have different weathers over here. But same goes for the season also, like sorry, for day and night. If the earth is if the sun is if the earth is coming is nearer to the sun, it is daytime, and when the earth is away from the sun, it is nighttime. And remember the one which I have shown you, how it is formed when the earth is away from the sun, it is daytime, and when it is nearer to the sun is nighttime. Now you can see this is our earth. This is our planet Earth, right? Now what happens that I'll show you. Now what happens that yes. Now you can see this is the light which is coming over here is the light of the sun. like I have already explained you before as well. So this is the planet Earth. Now you know who moves. Does the sun goes around the Earth, or Earth goes around the sun? Yes, it's the Earth that moves. It is not the Earth. It's not the sun. The sun is still. It's only the movement of the Earth. The Earth moves around the sun slowly. So the Earth is moving. That is the sun. This is the Earth. It's moving. So wherever it is nearer to the sun, it is daytime. When it is away from the sun, it is nighttime. You understand? So this is how the day and night are formed. So I hope it is now clear to you all, right? I hope it is clearer to you all that how the day and night are formed. You understand, class? Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do a task that I'll show you in a minute. Just a minute. Now, this is your, okay. Now here you are going to draw daytime and here nighttime. Now what happens in the daytime? There are trees over here, right? And all this is the grass. There are trees here. And what are these? These are the birds. Sun is shining. Sun is shining. Birds are there. And you can draw here children. Showing that this is the daytime where they are enjoying. Children are playing. The sun is there. Birds are all there in the sky. Whereas at night time, you can say that with the same picture, the trees are there, but there are no children. The stars are there. You can say up in the sky, there are the stars, and there is the moon. Right? So the same picture where there are no birds because it is night time. So there are no birds here. Birds are sleeping on the trees. There is no sun. Instead of sun, there is a moon. And instead of birds, there are stars which are in the sky. So this type of picture, this is just an example. You can draw the same picture in your notebook, or you can show another picture showing day and night, showing the same picture. Like the same picture, you will show one picture for daytime and the other one at nighttime in the same way. Okay. So, and write down one sentence that this picture is showing daytime, this picture is showing nighttime. So, since it's drawing and writing, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task and your time starts now. Okay, class, now. Time is up. Raise your hands. Show me your drawings. Wow, excellent. Very nice. Very good. So you have drawn the same drawing like mine. Very good, class. So that's good. So now I hope it is clear how day and nights are formed. Yes, how day and night are formed. That when when the earth is nearer to the sun, there we have daytime. When it is away from the sun, we will have nighttime. Okay. So hope you must have understood whatever we have discussed, right? All right. So now see you next time. Bye bye, children. Have a nice